everyone, I'm Eve Green with Charleston Lifestyle Homes. I am here today to introduce to you my 15-part series on the selling secrets you can't afford to miss. I am kind of excited about doing this. I've got years and years of real estate experience. I want to share some of my top tips and tricks with you. You will be a professional salesperson at the end of this. You're going to sell your home and it will be amazing, but I am going to teach you how to not just stage your home and negotiate a good price so that you get the smoothest transaction, most amount of money in the least amount of time, but we're going to talk about how to connect with your audience now, using some of the top marketing skills that the top agents use and some that they don't. I myself am very proficient in AI right now, and also I consider myself a target marketing specialist, and I'm going to be happy to share some of that information with you because that's what's working right now. Going to really enjoy this series. I know that I'm going to enjoy doing it. You're going to be professionals at the end of this. We'll talk about the photo qualities, every little thing. I want you to feel free to contact me with any of your questions afterwards. You can call, text, email, whatever works best for you, because I want to be there for you. I want to work with you through this. I think this is going to be kind of like a fun project, and I know that you all can sell your house on your own. Everybody can. Everybody can probably do everything on their own if they want, but I encourage you to use a professional. I mean, I do know the ins and outs of selling homes and helping people purchase homes. I've been doing it for an awfully long time, so I know a lot of the pitfalls that could occur. It can be a stressful experience, but I would like to help make this view as smooth and easy as possible. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video.